Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Photoshop on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open a web browser on your Mac. You can use Safari or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Adobe Photoshop and open the official Adobe website. Photoshop is a paid application, but Adobe also offers a free trial if you want to test it before subscribing. Once you are on the Adobe website, sign in to your Adobe account. If you already have a subscription, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Manage Account. From there, choose Access your apps and services to view all available Adobe applications. You can also simply click on the apps icon in the left sidebar to access the same section more quickly. Next, locate Photoshop in the list of apps and click the Install button. Adobe Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing Photoshop onto your Mac. Once Photoshop is installed, click Open to launch the application. So that's basically how you can install Adobe Photoshop on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.